Hi, I'm Dr. Craig Engstrom, but you can just call me Craig because we're now video friends. And in this video, I will be introducing you to Endnote, a powerful tool for managing and organizing research papers and references. Endnote allows you to easily import, organize, and search for articles, papers, and other research materials. It also helps you format your citations and bibliographies in a variety of styles, including MLA, APA, and Chicago. One of the key features of Endnote is its ability to sync your library across multiple devices. This means you can access your research materials from your computer, tablet, or even mobile device, making it easy to work with on the go. Endnote also allows you to collaborate with others by sharing your library and working on projects together. This makes it a great tool for students and researchers who are working in teams. And the great news is that for graduate students and faculty at Southern Illinois University Carbondale, where I teach and do research, it is absolutely free. For others, it's very affordable for how much time it will save you. Now, there are already many excellent videos and resources on using Endnote, which have been produced by others. I will place these resources on my personal website, link in the description. Now, what I've decided to do is provide a 4-part video series that highlights some of the many strategies that I have for effectively and efficiently using Endnote. In the first video, I explain how I get articles and citations quickly from a database to my computer. In the second video, I share my organizational strategy for placing these articles in folders. In the third video, I offer some specific strategies for managing citations in Endnote. In the final video, I share how I use Endnote when constructing articles. Check out the playlist or check out the videos on my website, link in the description.